Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to derive the quadratic formula from the quadratic equation. So it's a second degree equation and how to find the value of x, right? So first of all we will divide the whole equation with a, right? So you can write it as a x square upon a plus b x upon a plus c upon a, and 0 upon a is 0, right? So with the help of this we separate the x, so we'll be having x square plus b upon a x, and we will shift c upon a, so we'll be having minus c upon a. Okay, over here we see this is x square and this looks like 2ab, so we have to find out the b square, right? So we will write x whole square plus 2, what is a, we have x, right? And what is b, we have to find out, right? So we have b upon a x, so to make it b upon a x we can take it 2a b upon 2a, right? So if we cancel out 2 with 2, we will left with the same, so we can add b upon 2a whole square. So if we add this side, so we will add this same to the left hand side, b upon 2a whole square, right? So balance out. Now this looks like a plus b whole square, so we will write it x plus b upon 2a whole square, right, is equals to, over here we will be having 4a square, so we can take the LCM, right? So we write it 4a square, so over here a will be cancelled out and we will be having 4ac minus, right? 1a will be cancelled out and we'll be having 4ac, then plus b square, right? So now we will take the square root of the both side, and with the square root we can write it as x plus b upon 2a whole square root into b square minus 4ac upon 4a square root. So we'll be having a value that will be having plus and minus whenever it will come out from the square root, right? So this square will be cancelled out with the square root and we'll be having x plus b upon 2a is equals to, so this is whole square, 2a whole square, so we can write it 2a upon plus minus b square minus 4ac, right? Now we will shift b upon 2a and we will be having the value of x, so it is minus b upon 2a, then we'll be having plus and minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a under root. So we will take the LCM and we can write it as x is equals to 2a minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.